Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and welcome to the series Practice with Me Sessions, SolidWorks Beginners. Few things before we get started. If you're not in the first video of the series, you would probably miss something useful. Practice with Me sessions are designed in a way to explain tool to the beginners by actually working on the simple projects. Thereby they learn to implement the tool at the same time. It requires zero CAD knowledge if you want to start with these lessons. I will make the drawing file full size in every video beginning so the users can take a screenshot of it and use it while they practice. This series is created following the success and appreciation I received from CAPA videos, so I will try my best to do the same with SolidWorks as well. I request my viewers and subscribers to give the same support I received from CAPA tutorial videos so that we can make this program a huge success. As usual, give thumbs up and comments. Without further ado, let's begin.
In this video, we'll work on exercise number 3. To start off, we'll go to File, New, and double click on the part template. We have the empty workspace open now, and let's go to the sketch and start doing the sketch. So in this case, we'll start the sketch by creating this profile here. As this is a surface creation, we'll do it in that perspective. Let's go to the sketch and do the sketch on the right plane here. We'll make a couple of lines. Alright, now let's dimension it as 90 and 30 and 30. 30 here and 30 here, and dimension it over here as well. That's 20 and 20 here, and the overall length is 60. Now the sketch here should be fully constrained by now. Let me just try to move the sketch to see where exactly is the constraint issue in this. Okay, so I'll just reconstrain this. As you can see, there is a problem here. Yes, this is not touching here, so I'll just maybe delete this line, or else what I can do is I can just use the extend entities, okay, and extend this. Now just try to dimension that once again. That's 90. Now it's 90 here. Now exit the sketch, and now you can go for features, surface extrude up to 125 minus 45, that is 80. That's minus 80 here. Alright, now we'll do a fill command and fill this. So in order to do that, we just have to take the sketch here and zoom out a little bit and use the fill command and fill that over there, right? And now what we can do is we can create a line from here. So to do that, let's first select this face here and go for features, go for plane, and reverse offset, and give 125 minus 45, that is 80. Click mark. Now we have a plane there. Now create a sketch on that and create a couple of lines. Alright, now you can press Ctrl 8 and see if it's all fully constrained. As you can see, it's fully constrained. Exit the sketch, and now you can go for surface. You can use the fill command and fill that. Right, now what you can do next will be select this plane here and go for features and create another plane at an offset, reverse offset of how much? 45. Now you can select this plane and go for sketch. Now what you can do is select these lines, go for convert entities and use these lines. Alright, now exit sketch. Now you can go for surfaces, fill surface and fill it, right? Now what you can do next will be select that sketch that you've used and go for surface, go for extrude and give 45 here. Oops, 45, it should be 45. So you can also always go to edit features and decrease or change. Now you have a 45 there, and also you fill both of these ends and your model is done. Finally, you can also hide the geometries which you don't require at the moment, and that's it. So this is all about this exercise. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts on this video, put them on the comment section and I'll try to respond to them as early as I can. If you think my videos are helpful, hit the like, subscribe and share button. If you're interested to get How Engineers Do It t-shirt, you can get it by contacting me. I've put an image of it on the next slide. Here's a t-shirt. If you've got any CAD related requirements, don't hesitate to contact me anytime. I'm always looking forward to work with you. You can personally get in touch with me at ketia.pro.user@gmail.com. Thank you for your time and stay tuned.